So, nakuha na natin yung revolution counter or RC 7920, and meron din tayong hours propelling 2 hours. So yung RPM makukuha na natin. So yung RPM, yung formula, ito yung formula ng RPM natin, RC divided by time propelling. So nakuha natin na 7920 divided by 2 hours or 120 minutes. Yung hours is i-convert natin sa minutes. So 2 hours, 120 minutes. Yung sagot natin, 66 RPM tayo. Okay, so yung formula na to ay dito rin natin nakuha yan. Yan. Okay. RC noon minus RC rang up divided by time propelling in minutes. Okay, so the next day, yung formula natin ay iba naman. So the next day, yung formula natin, RC noon present minus RC noon previous divided by time propelling. So para makuha natin yung RPM. Okay, so yung RC natin, ito rin yung pagkuha niyan, yun yung nilagay natin doon. Yan, so sundan nyo lang yung series na to para ma-fill upan lahat natin to.